if you want to go from this to this, that is, if you have skin which looks like this, having this kinds of peel appearance on your face with small open pores, and you want to go completely smooth like this, then there is no cream in the world which can make you go from this to this. There has to be treatments which have to be done on regular basis and also to be maintained on regular basis, so as to get gradual improvement in these open pores. Now open pores basically occur because there is gradual loss of collagen on your skin, and if you have oily skin, these pores get elevated and they are seen in the form of these open pores. Now different treatment options available for this are the treatments which promote collagen boosting and skin tightening on your face. Number one, you can go with microneedling with radio frequency. Number two, you can go with Dermapen 4 microneedling. Number three, you can go with lasers. All these treatments will gradually improve the collagen on your face, and you can combine them with skin boosters which promote collagen such as Sculptra and other injectables which are collagen stimulators. These treatments in combination can help you gradually improve your pores. But keep in mind, this is not a permanent treatment. This will return back after a while, so you have to have a maintenance therapy along with certain other products such as Bioderma pore refiners, or you start using FCL PBA face mask twice or thrice a week. Maintenance is a must if you don't want them to be returned.